All right, time for another home tour. So we have this home in the 33155 section, and this one needed a lot of repairs. So we're talking about roof is leaking, floor is the original terrazzo floor, so you have to either polish it, restore it, or change it out. The electrical panel's 2 generations old. Kitchen is rotting away, bathrooms are bad, plumbing. I mean, you're gonna have to redo everything in this home, but still had a lot of action. We had over 80 offers in one weekend. So imagine that. Typically you'll get 10, 15 offers on a home. And here you have the front of the house. So this is kind of like the entrance here. Then you have this closed off partition. I would remove this. That way you can open up this concept here and you have a nice big kitchen area. Has a 10,000 square foot lot. And you can see this home's untouched from 1969, so it's pretty much original. So you have a 10,000 square foot lot, a builder's half acre is what they call it in the industry. You can see that the kitchen itself, there's the roof leaks that I was talking about. Kitchen itself, it's just rotting away. I mean, it's just in really bad condition. You can kind of see that. You got a unconverted garage. Most people like to convert their garages into efficiencies. But this one, you have the original garage. And it's it's a 1-car garage. You can see that. Over here, you can see the electrical panels are pretty old. These are just the fused ones. Have area for a dishwasher. Then here we're going to the rooms. There's 3 rooms. One here, one over there, and then the master bedroom. And then this is the guest bathroom. So you have here, this is the first one. You can see that terrazzo floor, the cabinets, everything. This one we were asking $350 and got a lot of action, and it was bid up to $425. So what happens is if you underprice it and you treat your list price as an advertising price, it will force a bidding war, and people will give you better terms and price for it. So here we have another closet area with a water heater timer. This is one of the entrances to the attic. Second bedroom. This one only has 1 window. And the home itself had the wall units throughout. It doesn't have central AC. So this home is original, untouched. So that's good because you know no one really knocked anything out. And here is the panel. You can see, very old. And then here's the master bedroom. And it's very presentable because when I first spoke to the owner about it, it looked horrible. I didn't think anyone would want to see it, but he did a great job cleaning it out, adding the paint, and getting it all together so people can envision themselves in the home. Before, with all the furniture and everything that was in the home and the bad condition it was, I don't think he would have gotten as many offers as he did. So he did a great job cleaning it up. And that's it for the home tour.